Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox the Dell Inspiron 5000 series. That's a 15-inch, so let's see how it goes. You can see this how it looks like. I'll take this off. So it's an i5 8th generation processor, and as you can see, it has the functionality for connecting a mobile phone to it, and it says that's a Dell Mobile Connect. It also has narrow borders. I think that's for the screen size, and obviously there's a wireless plus Bluetooth, HDMI, Dell Cinema, and obviously a webcam in HD. Now, if you're thinking of looking for the on button for switching on the laptop, that would be a little bit of a guess for you, but I'm going to make that very easy for you. It took me quite some time, but apparently that is used to switching on the laptop. So we'll go for that. Oops. Hey. Here we have it. So just in case you were wondering, so we've got our screen on. I'll just skip through and try and finish up the setup. Okay, so that's the sideways of the laptop. You've got your power connection, HDMI, Ethernet connection, USB, and what else? You've got your jack for headphones, and the other side of the laptop has these connections as well: SD card and a USB. That's a standard USB. The other one is the fast one. That's the fast port, and obviously there's this lock. I really don't know what that is for, but I think some sort of lock. Anyway, so that it looks from the back. Okay, that's our setup completed. First impression, the screen resolution looks good, and let's get rid of this guy. Oh. Go to display settings. Okay. So that's the highest resolution we could get. That's fine. Thanks for watching, guys, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.